What is a name that sounds like it's given to a very annoying person? Periknight. Heavenly. You seem to know them all, LMAO. Every goddamn comment has been responded by op. Biggest dickus. Anyone else scrolling through here looking for their own names? Broderick, shortened to Broad, but Bruder behind his back. There was a boy called Eustace Clarence Scrub, and he almost deserved it. Tiffany or Brittany. Kendall. Nevia, Angel, Haley, or any name with lots of extra unnecessary letters. Troy. Dinkelberg. Dick. Kyle, Tammy, Chad, etc. Blarnt edit I misunderstood the question. Fucking hate Tammys. Becky. Tristy. Todd. Brandon.